Here in this Colorado, we have a airbag light on. I already got it plugged in. All right, B0058 and the 65. Front right seat belt buckle, pre-tensioner deployment, loop open. So we have a short somewhere. We have a short somewhere. That hood, but okay, how do you open up this door? Right here. Okay, so it's down here. You can't see. There we go. So it's inside here. I'm gonna have to take this door panel off. Okay, I'm gonna have to remove that. All right, I'll figure that part out, but get this door panel off. Looks like really simple. And check this wiring here too, because I can see how that can get pinched in there. All right, so this is something interesting. While I was going to disconnect the battery, anytime you want to mess with any kind of electrical systems or wiring, you want to get rid of the battery. And this is how this was. I don't know how that was even traveling, but it made it here. Okay, so to remove this door panel, it's actually really simple. All you do is just remove these two Phillips head screws and this T50 Torx bit. And that's your tensioner right there. And then this side's kind of folded over. You just pull it and peel it back. So I just wanna go through and do a quick little visual. I don't see any signs of damage or decay yet. I'm not even sure something's back here. I'm just assuming it's wiring. That's why I'm going this route. Okay. Oh, let me tell you, it's so hard one-handed. Oh, I see electrical tape. Oh, great. How do you get this out of here? Oh, I see a lot of electrical tape. Oh boy. Okay, I can't really see anything, so I'm gonna go ahead and get these connectors. Electrical taping on here too. Okay, there we go. It's free. Okay, we'll pull that out and get rid of that. That's obviously for the speakers. Okay, let's get rid of this. Okay. Let's see if I can make life easier by doing it this way. Okay, let's open up the stand. Oh, there's just so much electrical tape in there. Look at that. Ugh. Those who know, who have used electrical tape on wiring, anytime they get hot, it turns into like a gooey mush. And that's what this is doing. So they got electrical tape all the way back here. And looky there. There's a wire right there completely disconnected. Oh, look at that. That's completely severed. I don't know what you're aimed at, so I apologize. Wow, it's just so much electrical tape. I'm gonna go ahead and kill the camera while I, yep, there's a break there. So there's another break over here. Yes, I'm gonna go ahead and kill the camera while I get this unraveled, because it's a gooey mess. Okay, quick update. As I'm peeling this all off, I have found a broken orange wire, a broken black wire, and I still haven't even got all the electrical tape gone yet, so just showing you, I haven't forgot about you, just still discovering. Alright, so after taking care of the driver's side, just out of a hunch, I read the codes again, and the driver's side went away, and now it's the passenger side, and sure enough, I pop that out, and that's what I see. So let's go do the same thing on this side. Like I said, don't use electrical tape. If you're going to fix this, get a nice high quality heat shrink. This is a T50. Remove that negative battery terminal also. That'll come out and just sit off to the side. Throw that there. And then 2 Phillips heads right here. I think I got just enough heat shrink to do this. Okay, leave those there. But it's easier with 2 hands, but so you're not just so violent with it like I was. But yeah, there it is. I'm gonna do the same thing I did last time. We'll go ahead and get these up and out of here. Okay. Yep. Pull the orange. Same thing with this. Just pull a little flap and pull down. I see electrical wire all over here too, and it's showing that this, according to the scan code, the scan data, this right speaker is not working. So I will not shock me one bit if I find another broken speaker wire over here too, because that one back there, and I didn't test it to see if that speaker was working. Before, push it back through. See what we're looking at inside here. Older truck, so I don't want to be too hard on that. Oh well, they taped that right up in there, so that's not helping. Oh boy. Oh god, a lot more tape. Awesome. This time we got a little bit of yellows. So here's the orange, here's the brake, and that one. So we'll get that one put back in there. Ah, screw it. I'm gonna remove all this just because I don't want to not remove it, and then I removed the other wires over there, and then I come to find out that it wasn't broke, but it was kind of like this green wire right there where it was an open, and look how close that is. Those two can possibly be touching and shorting. So the system just shuts down. out of safety concerns so it doesn't blow up in your face, literally blow up in your face. Okay, so I haven't even got to pull this back yet, and I found all those goodies. So yeah, this is the speaker. And oh man, so yeah, this is why the speaker's not working. This line's broken a bunch of different places. Okay. Man, too bad I couldn't remove this rubber grommet. That would be just that would just help out so much. Okay, I'm gonna pull this down. I'm gonna feed this through as best I can. It's very time consuming. I wasn't even hired to do this job. How funny is that? It's not funny, but I just saw that the airbag light was on and he's having a lot of, the car just shuts off and doesn't start again. I don't know why. Haven't made it that far yet. All I know is we can't have all these broken wires and expect to go about and figure out other problems, you know? So that's a clean cut too. But this wire's bunching back up. All right. 10th time's the charm. Let's keep everything nice and straight. Got it. All right, so I'm gonna do the same thing as the other side. I lost that other yellow. Let's get these separated. So I'm gonna repair. This is for the airbag, or not the airbag, this is for the seatbelt restraint, so that it can tell it when to lock up. And then this yellow is for the speaker. And I'll go and get these repaired. Like I said, we're gonna solder them together. I'm not gonna show you that. I mean, I'm not the best at soldering, so I'm not gonna embarrass myself, but I get the job done. So the end result will look like this. I used extra long just because I had to cover up a bunch of other breaks on this orange wire. So that's why I did that. That way this way I'll seal it up. No other wires can touch it. It's nice and strong. There's no breaking it apart. And I'm gonna do the same to the yellow. All right, so right now I just got them plugged back in. I just want to see if I missed a spot. Let's put the key in here. Just key it on. You don't gotta start it. Come on, let's go away, let's go away. Off, look at that, perfect. That's what you want to see. Now I'll come up here and just scan everything just to give a quick check. That's good. Don't care about that. Don't care about that. Here we go. Come on, come on, come on. Fault again. So the radio passed this time, so we fixed the speaker, obviously. See what this is. Right feet, okay. Oh, there we go. It passed. Awesome. So there we go. So that's how I cleared these two codes. Like I said, just had a hunch, went back there, check. I guess it's very common with these. Again, don't just electrical tape them if they break. Spend a little extra time, get yourself a soldering gun, borrow one, rent one, I don't know what you gotta do. Just solder them together, get a nice quality heat shrink. I'll leave everything in the description of what I used, and then you do it right the first time. All right, I hope that helped. Thanks for watching. If you liked my video, please hit like. Feel free to subscribe. Also check out my other two channels, the Anything Auto Travels channel and the Anything Auto Reviews. See you next time.